Previous lesson, we learned how we can put a condition according to a range. We have a range and we want to test the data or to filter the rows according to the range. What is inside the range, which should be included in the result? What's outside the range, either upper or lower, the range should be neglected or should be ignored. But what if we have multiple values? Like, for example, here we have the countries. I want the customers that are from either the US, Canada, or France. Yeah, like these values from US or Canada or France. In this case, we can apply what we learned before using, for example, where, and here we can say country. We can say the country, and here we can say equal to country equal to, and we start with, for example, US, and then say what? Say or, and then say we or, and we can repeat this according to the number of values that we have. For example, the US, Canada, and repeat it as many as we need. Like where country equals to US or country equals to Canada or a country equals to the France. It will work, but again, that means we'll have multiple or many conditions. That means a lot of processing will be applied each time we apply this query. Second, we have multiple query, multiple conditions. So there is like a possibility that we'll have some errors, some syntax errors. So it is better to use other way, which is going to be the membership operator. It's going to be the membership operator. And membership operator, we use it when we have multiple values at the same time. We want to test the column equals to any one of these values. Like here, we have the country. We want it to be either from Canada, the UK, France, or any other country. So instead of using a condition and or a condition, another or a condition, we can use just membership operator, which is like this. We are going to use in the column first, and then in. After that, inside the brackets, we write the values. Like here we have Canada, UK, and we write any other value that we want. And what we'll do, what SQL will do is going to take the column and test if it contain or it is equal to any one of these values. If it is equals to any one of these values or member of these values, it will be shown to us in the result. If it is not, then it will be ignored. So let's try it here. We have, instead of and, we can say country, start with country, and then use the keyword in. So we have where country in, and then we write the values inside a bracket. We write the values, and since it is text values, it should be inside single quotes. We have the US, Canada, or France. So this is the condition: country, in, and the values. So what SQL will do here, it is going to start from the beginning, from the first row, and test. We are searching for the country. So the condition is about the country call. So it will come to the country and start from the first row and see this country. Is it a member of this value of these values? Yes, USA is one of the members. Then what? Then it will be included because we said country and the values. It will go to the second one. UK. Is UK a member of these values? Well, it is not. So it will be ignored. What will be only shown is if the country is one of the members. So now we have the US. Is the US one of these values or member of these values? Yes. So it will be included. After that, we have Canada. Is it one of these values? Yes. So it will be included. After that, we have Canada or UK. Is it one of these, a member of these values? No, it is not. France, is it? Yes, it is. So it will be included. So in this way, we have these ones, and all of them should be one of these values or should be a member of these values. Let's apply it here. We said start with the column country N, and inside the brackets we should write the members that we want to test. We have the USA and Canada. And the last thing we have is France. And all focus, because it is text values, it should be the same in spelling and in the case, capital or small. Control E, Control E. We have here the US and we have Canada and we have France. All of them members of these values. We can also do this with numeric values. For example, the sales. I want the ones that are, or the customers that have their sales either 600, 700, or 1,200. So it's going to be sales N, and then we need to write inside the brackets. We should write 600, 700, and 1,200. And because it is numeric value, we don't need single quotes. So what will be done is going to start with the first one. And since the condition is about the sales, we are searching about the sales. And we'll start. 1,200, is it a member? Yes, it is a member here. So it will come to here and it's going to include it. Next, 1,000, is it a member of these values? No, it will be ignored. 700, is it a member of these values? Yes, so it will be included. And next, 1,300, no, ignored. 400, no, ignored. And 1,100, no, so it will be ignored. So we have just two values here. Let's do it here. Sales N, and write the members that we want. We have 600, 700, and 1,200. Control E, Control E. Here we have to. And by the way, here we don't need to like write them in order. Okay, we can write them like 700, 600. After that, 700. It doesn't matter about the order because it is searching about the values, not the order. It is not like the between, okay, or the range operator. The range operator, we should have the lower boundary and the upper boundary. Lower first, upper second. But for this one, it is fine. We can write in any order that we want.